Hi, this is Dr. Ashwini. We work with a lot of children with autism. So another very common question that is asked by parents is, we have been eating wheat and drinking milk for so many years, and why today it is a problem? Now, first of all, we have to understand it's not the same wheat that we have been eating potentially, and of course, the amount of wheat that today we consume is much more than we would have done in the past. Now, second is during hybridization, that there's a change in the wheat also. It's no more the same wheat. The gluten content or reactive proteins in the wheat have increased. Now, protein in the wheat, which is gliadin or gluten, and casein in the milk, they also act like opioid molecules. They can stick to the opioid receptors in the brain. Thereby, they can increase potent behavioral changes like self-injurious behavior, hitting others, aggressiveness, zooming out, etc. So as long as you start keeping these things away from your child's diet, they will start getting better. Second, of course, our digestive abilities has reduced. Our microbiome diversity has reduced over a period of time. Now, almost as per the research it says, we have lost 30% of our diversity. That also reduces our ability to digest these proteins from wheat and dairy. So this mandates, if we have to improve our child, we have to cut these foods